Planning to deck out your yard? Here's everything you need to know about building a deck in Australia. When planning your deck construction, think about the following. Which way is your deck going to face? What time of the day will it be used the most? Will you need a solid roof to create shade? At what height do you want your deck to be? Do you need steps leading to an external deck, or want your deck to be at the same level as your existing floor? Next, you need to decide on decking material. Commonly used ones include hardwoods, treated pine, composite decking, and modular decking. Start off by measuring and marking out the perimeter, and don't forget to take height of decking and joists. Run string lines to create a grid. Each intersection of the string is where the stump needs to go. Mark these out with spray paint. Next, cut your bearers to size and join them together using glue or a nail gun. Run your spirit level from the existing timberwork to brickwork to measure their height. The distance between the spirit level and the brickwork indicates the required size of the checkout. Now cut the checkout with a circular saw, making sure you have the correct depth set on the saw. Level and support the bearer and drill holes for the stumps. Secure them well and then concrete them into place. Lastly, install the joists. Measure and mark the wall plate and cut a checkout in it. Attach the wall plate and fix the first joist, followed by all the other joists. Once done, fit the timber between them. Now lay the decking. Start by cutting the decking material to size. Line up the first piece and secure it using a fastener and a drill. Next, use a spacer of desired size to ensure an accurate distribution of the remaining decking boards. By checking the intended finishing width of the deck, adjustments can be made to this spacing to ensure the outside decking board finishes in the correct location. Want to learn more about decking? Get in touch with Australian Treated Pine today.